My God, there's the problem when you start redrawing lines on a map is that it gets really crazy. And NATO made that mistake. We're the ones who took Kosovo away from the Serbs. Should never have done that. Should never have done that. We're the ones that encouraged the Croatians to ethnically cleanse hundreds of thousands of Serbians from Croatian territory. That was, one of the last offenses of the war was a U.S.-backed thing, because the Croatians were like, hey, if we stop the war now, we're going to inherit this huge Serbian problem. And they went, well, why don't you just drive them out, ethnically cleanse them? And so we gave them all the weapons they needed, even though it violated UN Security Council resolutions. We brought in U.S. military trainers, sheep-dipped as civilians. And next thing you know, we ethnically cleansed Croatia, pushed the Serbs out. Yeah, we don't want to go down that rabbit hole. I'm just saying, I think history's done a disservice to the Serbs in terms of that whole conflict. We've painted them as sort of the bad guys, the evil guys, Srebrenica. Well, everybody forgets that before Srebrenica, there were the massive massacres of Serbs by the Bosnians. And that Srebrenica didn't just happen in a vacuum. Once you start the business of ethnic cleansing, it gets ugly real quick. And if you start ethnic cleansing and the other side gets the upper hand, don't scream when they start to ethnically cleanse you. And the difference between the Muslims and the Serbians is that the Serbians killed the men of fighting age, many of whom were involved in the massacres that took place before that. They didn't kill the women and children. They let them go. The Bosnians killed the men, women, and children. They killed entire villages. And so, nobody wants to talk about this, about the ugliness of